Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 1084 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I am so excited to try out this Cover FX Shimmer Veil that I got in my January 2021 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So if you have not seen my unbagging of that, I'll have that video linked in the description down below so that you can see all of the awesome products I got this month. I'm really happy with that bag, and I also got a bunch of add-on products in it as well. But I love Cover FX, so I was really excited to get this in Ipsy. It's a pretty expensive brand, but what I've tried, I have absolutely loved. This retails for $28. You can get it at Ulta, and on the Ulta website, it basically has 5 stars, which I really trust the Ulta ratings, so that makes me even more excited to try this out. It comes in 10 different shades also, which is more shades than I was expecting, but I'm happy with the shade that I got. I got it in Soleil, and it's the peachy pink shade, and basically it's versatile shimmer. You can apply it to the eyes, the cheeks, the lips. It's free from parabens, fragrance, gluten, mineral oil, and talc. It's vegan, cruelty-free. Let's see how it looks. It has like a little doe foot applicator. I want to start out with a little swatch to see how this color looks. Oh, yes. I love that. I feel like it really is a versatile shade for me as well, where hopefully it will be able to work on my eyes, cheeks, and lips. It pretty much has like a metallic finish with maybe a little bit of glitter shimmer as well. So here is what that swatch looks like. Look at how that just reflects the light so beautifully. All right, so I'm just gonna kind of play around with it. I want to start out with applying just a little bit onto the eyelid, and I'm gonna see if I can kind of blend it out for an all over shimmer. And oh yes, I can. Oh, it's already starting to dry down, so that kind of shows you how quickly it takes to set. Oh, but this color, yeah, when I blend it out, I can see more of that silver shimmer to it. So that is so pretty, and it really could just be a subtle, quick, easy throw on the lid type of color to just give a little sparkle, a little something to the eye. But it's supposed to be crease proof, so I want to go ahead and layer it up even more and kind of see if I don't even blend it and I just kind of draw it on with the applicator. I mean, it works. I feel like I'm getting that full foiled effect. I'm just gonna, for the fun of it, go ahead and apply it all over the lid. And I'm gonna try and keep my eye closed. So while I wait for that to dry down, I kind of want to see how this looks as like a little brow highlight. Just kind of tapping it on. Blend it out a bit. I really do think that it works pretty much anywhere you want to add a little sparkle, because when you blend it out, it just kind of leaves behind a little bit of glitter, which I always love a little bit of glitter. All right, and it really does feel so comfortable on this eye, even though I applied a lot, and there's no creasing yet, but we'll see what happens. I do feel like the applicator doesn't hold that much product, and it kind of dries out a bit. I keep having to go and pick up more, and you do have to work pretty fast with it. So trying it on the cheeks now as a highlight, and it is so pretty, but it's exactly like what I was saying. It's glittery, which I like. I mean, that looks pretty and it gives glow, but it definitely leaves kind of like that streak of glitter. see if I can build it up a little bit. You know, since it's kind of like a rosy pink shade, it might be a little bit too dark for this highlight area, but it might be a perfect blush tone because I'm seeing a bit of a noticeable streak of the pink color, but it does look so good on the skin, like such a smooth texture. It's sitting really well on top of my foundation and it's not lifting the foundation at all, which I'm really glad to see. And it does add some pretty glow to the skin, but it's not like a super intense blinding highlighter. I do want to try it as a blush though, like applying it more focused onto the apple of my cheeks. And it really works well to just blend it out with my finger, but just can't wait too long because it does dry down pretty quickly. But like as a sparkly, glowy blush. What do you think? I really like that. And I think it's a really nice shade for a blush as well. Kind of like rose peachy. I love that. I'm seriously gonna be covered in this, but I am happy about that. And now for the lips. Let's see how it looks. To just add a little ombre effect, add a little fullness. I'm just trying it on top of some lip balm right now, but even that is fun. I feel like I definitely need a lip color to go with it because it kind of washes out my lips a little bit since it's a lighter shade, but it leaves such pretty shimmer. I understand exactly why it's called Shimmer Veil because that's exactly what it is. And no matter where you apply it, it looks so good. Like it looks so good on my lips, my lips are chapped and dry and have a lot of texture in them, but it still looks good, even, smooth. It looks fantastic on the skin, on the foundation, and still no creasing on the eye and no transfer. Like it's set down, long lasting. Love that. I'm so glad that I pretty much lucked out with Ipsy getting this shade. I feel like this is seriously the perfect shade for me. It's a perfect shade to wear on my eyes, cheeks, and lips. So I really love this. I think I'm gonna be wearing this on my cheeks a lot. And then just a really quick, easy throw on the lid type of shade, or it could be incorporated into eyeshadow looks. I feel like this would be like the perfect kind of inner corner lid shade because it has so much shine. It's such a pretty color. So I am so happy with this. Let me know in the comments down below what your favorite Cover FX products are. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.